Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting today's video, I would like to thank you everyone who supports me, who writes those beautiful DMs, comments on my video, likes my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. You guys means the world to me. Thank you so much. We are so close to a 200. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that. I've been asked this question so many times that how I get the short bob haircut and the other day my hair looks normal. Like, people think, one girl in my college actually asked me that do I wear a wig. No, I never wore a wig. I am obsessed with that short bob haircut. Like, I saw Priyanka Chopra in Pyar Impossible, that Monica in Friends. Like, I really love that short bob haircut. So I came with the solution that I'm going to generate my own short bob hairstyle without even chopping my hair. So let's watch this video so you can also have the short bob hair without even chopping your hair. I'm going to show you two different methods from which you can secure this hairstyle, because I've tried both of them and both of them are damn easy. Pick whichever you like. The first and the most important thing to get this kind of bob is to detangle your hair first. Your hand should go through your hair. You know, for detangling my hair, I always use this kind of comb, because if I use that smaller one, it hurts my hair so much. So this one makes my job so easy. So first, detangle your hair. After detangling your hair, make a side parting, because I always do side parting. I don't like center parting at all and it doesn't go with my face. So side parting, whichever side, like I do my side parting on right side. Whichever side you like, you do the side parting and divide your hair into two sections. Take a rubber band and secure all your hair into a loose bun on the back side of your head. Make sure your bun is loose enough so that we can pull out the hair afterwards. If it's tight, you are not going to get the perfect short bob. So do it precisely. Something like this. Now slowly pull out hair from both the sides and make sure you do it equally. Like, you should pull your hair in equal lengths, else it won't look that perfect that you want. I like this length, like this is a sober length. And method is the easiest, and for the lazy people, someone like me who doesn't want to do detangle their hair and do everything, like, you know, they just want to enjoy the moment. So yes, you just have to do the side parting, and what you need is something like this kind of t-shirt which have a smaller collar neck. So what you have to do, just leave your hair as it is and wear the t-shirt on yourself and see what happens. Now pull out some hair. Like, you don't have to do it like, and here is your fake bun. If you remember, I made my first video in this t-shirt with the same hairstyle. It was just a coincidence. I was wearing a t-shirt and I saw myself in the mirror and I felt like I had a haircut. So this is an easy way to fool someone to look beautiful even without chopping your hair. And yes, like, this actually looks surreal that I have a short bob hair. So this was the end of this video. If you like any of my Zucaro tricks and if you try out, you know, make sure you send me a picture of yours in my Insta DM. I'm writing my Insta DM over here. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, share your comments in the comment section below. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.